Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and share these videos, and leave comments down below. We want to do a video. We got a few projects coming up for 2020. That's going to be good ideas that I will be adding to my playlist edition. And this will be one of them right here. That's how to cook Craving's flavor. Hold on. My screen done darkened up. It didn't focus back right. Let's see. There we go. Now it's focused back right. We got a project edition that we're going to be doing that we're going to create on our playlist. And you already seen it, how to cook Craving's flavors. It will be our Doordash recipe series that we will be doing with gig drivers. You can be from Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Amazon Flex, etc., etc. You could be dealing in the cargo van business, medical carrier, all of the gig apps to where you're doing a delivery service. We're going to have different drivers, and we're going to do this DoorDash recipe. And you just got through seeing the thumbnail, which will also be my business cards. I will have 3 different types of business cards that I'll be passing out this year in my local area. So what I want to show you also is I did something in the community post and got a pretty good response to it. And I'm very elated about it. I talked to another driver, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing our favorite dish that we would like to eat at the restaurant, but we could prepare it better. And I will be doing that with another driver. This is just the introduction, and also to let you know what this series will be about. But it will be DoorDash drivers and others. There will be participants of this event that I will be doing right here on the DoorDash Revolution channel. And also with Craving for Flavors business. And that's what we do. Entrees, and share our recipe secrets on how we prepare and cook our favorite entrees. I would like to go to the community post at this moment, and I would like to show the results that was in that community post. And that's one of the meals that I did last summer. Try to get a little focus in. There it is. And it said, "This is my craving." Let me do this here. Let it focus back in. "This is my craving for flavor specialty mango salsa, salmon, and shrimp Creole boil entree that would have you craving for more." We had 21 likes on it, 15 comments. And this is what I said. I'm pretty good at grilling scrumptious meals. And then we had 44 B Dog said that looks so good. And then we had Nate Dog said, "Dang, that looks good." We had Jill Chocolate said, "Good morning, DoorDash. This looks delicious." We had Keith off in here, which said, what it is, yes, sir." And then we had Terry Trips and Talk. "Lord, that looks amazing. Enjoy." And then Hulk Smash said, "Yes, sir. Where's mine?" And I replied and said, "Craving for Flavors Cookout is in a market near you." So we got a lot of good positive response. And then we had Timothy Slaughter. He said, "I make a mango pineapple salsa with some heat. Makes grown men want to cry." Actually, that's what the dish was. That was my recipe to that dish. And I told him, I said, "That's the recipe, my brother." So he knew exactly what it was. That means he know his way around the grill as well, and around the kitchen. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we're going to be presenting to you in our new edition for this channel, the way you will have gig drivers or gig workers collaborate if they want to participate in the Craving for Flavors Cookout Challenge. Going to be coming to a market near you. This is an introduction and also an announcement to let you know that this will be coming up very soon. And also, we will be giving an announcement, TBA, to be announced. And once we start doing it, we're going to be doing episodes. And that's going to be very enjoyable here on this platform in this community. You know, to where we have a camaraderie of drivers getting together, showing their expertise around the kitchen or on the grill. Or you could be out camping as well. So we're going to be able to bring that addition to this channel. Now, there's another announcement I want to make as well, and we talked about it all, well, not all year, but we talked about it right at almost at the end of the year, around August, September. We also going to be supporting our local black-owned businesses that does business through third-party apps like Doordash, Grubhub, and Uber Eats. This will be also my thumbnail for that. It will also be, let me do this again, pull back, there we go. It will also be one of my business cards, except for I will have my company name where you see the subscribe it. I will have my company name for that logo inside this business card. This is a thumbnail, which will be a business card saying support black-owned businesses, DoorDash Revolution. That is also our addition that we added, one of our new additions that we added to the platform last year, which will be in a category with that playlist. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be going to visit these businesses, interacting with these businesses, going to these business functions and events. So with me being able to start back doing my cooking thing, getting the rust off my fingers, so to speak, get the rust off, get back off in the grill, do the things I love to do as a DoorDash driver, bringing a new twist to this community. As I said before, ladies and gentlemen, as long as you have ideas, you always have content. This is something else that I wanted to say. I've been looking at a few content creators, and it kind of disturbed me on some of the things that they said and their mindset. Not only did it disturb me, or it was disturbing, but I was concerned. Now, content creators, if you don't have a passion and a determination to want to create content, then maybe YouTube is not the place for you. You got a lot of content creators that want to fake it till they make it. They get them 1,000 subscribers and then they shift into a different setting, a different light, due to they want to make easy money. Easy is the new word for being lazy. Or I always was taught anything worth having, you got to put some work into it. You know, but if you think that, okay, I don't have the passion to do DoorDash content or gig worker content, and everybody that I'm looking at seems boring and I'm seen boring, you're already telling people that you don't have a passion for doing this here. Maybe it was a hobby, or maybe you thought you could get monetized real fast, and then boom, there it is. And you got a lot of people that's faking it to make it. So be mindful, viewers, as well as subscribers, of who that content creator is. Maybe you need to ask that content creator, what's your passion for doing content on Doordash, about Doordash, about Uber Eats, about Grubhub, about whatever gig you doing. What is your passion for wanting to create content? Maybe we need to start asking these questions to these content creators. I ask myself that question. I have a passion. And when you have a passion to do something and you love people and you want to share that passion with the world, okay, you're going to have ideas. As long as you have ideas, you're going to have content. You already know it's going to be a battle. You already know it's going to be a struggle. But the passion, what keeps the fire lit for you to keep creating content. And long as you have ideas, new ideas, you're going to always have new content that no one else can match. And you be second to none. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're finna let you go as we bring more new ideas and setting trends and breaking boundaries and barriers in this community to where people will start engaging because there'll be value in their content. They will start engaging the content creators that have that passion, that have that fire, that have that motivation that jumpstarts your day. Maybe your favorite content creators, you may need to ask them. I've been asked, what is your passion for doing what you do? And I have a passion for this. I love to do what I'm doing. I love people. I love interacting with people. And that's what I do. So I will be bringing more new things to this community. And I hope that you be able to enjoy these episodes that's going to be coming, the different categories and the playlists, to where you might not want to look at ride-alongs. Let me do this one more time. Well, it's really playing with me now. That you don't want to, may not want to look at ride-alongs, but you might want to look at Doordash Drivers, doing cook-offs, doing their expertise or their favorite meals. Who knows? You may want to see Doordash Drivers be able to do karaoke. You never know. All that's going to get tied in this community, ladies and gentlemen, so we can bridge the gap, with this community. I got a lot of ideas. I'm going to share them with you. We're going to go on this journey with this new experience. And I hope that you enjoy the journey. Peace, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.